With a net worth of $36.5 billion and listed as the 31st richest person in the world, Elon Musk is one of the most famous tech entrepreneurs in modern history. He's the CEO and product architect of Tesla, and also the founder of the Boring Company, OpenAI, Neuralink, and SpaceX. Today, we'll be taking a look at the ways Elon Musk spends his millions. Now that you're here, remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more entertaining content like today. Despite what many people believe, Elon Musk is actually a very frugal man. He doesn't spend on the same kind of splurge as many other billionaires do. Rather than the usual luxury car or two and being the CEO of an electric vehicle manufacturer, it's no surprise that Elon has more than 2 Teslas sitting in his garage. Let's begin by talking about his real estate properties. Musk currently owns a $70 million real estate portfolio. His properties include several Bel Air estates. His first purchase, a $17 million mansion, includes a 2-story library, a home theater, a gym, and a 1,000-bottle wine cellar. He also purchased another mansion for $17 million, also located in Bel Air, although it is now estimated to be worth $22.3 million. Musk had listed it for sale by owner for $30 million. The house had 20,248 square feet of space divided into different wings, with a total of 7 bedrooms. It also has a 2-story library. In the garage of his main home, Musk has a $920,000 Lotus Esprit submarine car, used in a James Bond movie. He bought it in 2013 and claimed that he had spent so much on the car because he was a very big fan of James Bond. He was inspired by James Bond driving the Lotus Esprit off a pier, pressing a button, and having it transform into an underwater submarine. Of course, this Esprit can't really transform into a submarine. He also has a Ford Model T gifted by a friend and a Jaguar E-Type Series 1 Roadster. An Audi Q7, which he claims to have been the inspiration behind the Tesla Model X, and that's not even talking about his Tesla collection. He has virtually every Tesla model ever created, and some that haven't been created too. A Tesla Roadster, a Tesla Model S, a Tesla Model X, and even a Model Y, which hasn't even been released yet. He also owns their newest production, the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is an electric truck that looks like it could have come straight out of Blade Runner. It can cover almost 500 miles when fully charged and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. Elon Musk also signed the Giving Pledge, a charity initiative started by Warren Buffett and Bill and Melinda Gates, in which interested billionaires vowed to donate the majority of their wealth during their lifetime. Musk has donated $10 million to the Future of Life Institute, and is also the chairman of the Musk Foundation, which focuses its philanthropic efforts on providing solar power energy systems in disaster areas, as well as other sustainable-centered goals. The Musk Foundation has collaborated with Solar City to donate a 25-kilowatt solar system to the South Bay Community Alliance's Hurricane Response Center in Coden, Alabama. The foundation has also donated $250,000 toward a solar project in Soma, Japan, a city that was devastated by a tsunami back in 2011. In July of 2014, Musk was asked by cartoonist Matthew Inman and the grandnephew of Nikola Tesla, William Turbo, to donate $8 million toward the construction of the Tesla Science Center at Wardenclyffe. Ultimately, he agreed to donate $1 million toward the project, and additionally pledged to build a Tesla supercharger in the museum car park. Musk has also been known for investing and reinvesting in his own companies, once buying $35 million worth of shares in Tesla and several stakes in the Boring Company. Elon Musk also has a 2015 $70 million Gulfstream G650ER business jet, which happens to be quite expensive for a private jet. Musk has reportedly clocked 150,000 miles of flight distance on it as of 2018. Would you spend $70 million on a private jet if you were as rich as Elon Musk? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.